All right, so here's kind of how we have what we call ringless voicemail, or what we call stealth mail, ringless voicemail, slide broadcast. There are some differences in the technologies that you want to use. Again, people talk server to server, or does it actually have to dial the number and ring it out, right? All right, so here's an actual a quick glance at what we're kind of talking about here. So I actually just did a stealth mail blast, which basically is delivers the voicemail, right? Delivers the voicemail directly to the voicemail box. Um, and so you can see I actually sent out to a list of about 612. You can see the responses I got. So this was actually just the other night. So all the calls come in. Now the difference of what we do, it's pretty easy. You simply come up here, you can send a stealth blast, and of course, since it's tied into the CRM automatically, you can pick which group that you'd like to send the stealth mail to, right? Choose the recording, and then really just hit blast out, okay? It really is that simple to actually send out to a large list and deliver the voicemails, okay? Now, the difference is, and as some people have already pointed out on the thread here, is that frankly, a lot of calls start coming back in very quick. So it's a matter of how do you actually handle those calls, okay? So we actually have this set up. So if you go into settings, we actually also allow you to build call flows directly in the system as well. So you can see here I've got the stealth campaign set up, and so we can go edit that. Now, basically what this does is the first thing it does is smart routing. If it's the first time they've called in, then follow these steps, okay? If it's the second time they've called in, then follow these steps. I actually just want, if it's the second time, I'm actually going to forward them directly to a number, and if that doesn't answer, then I'm going to deliver them right to voicemail, okay? So that's actually what I'm going to do if they call in a second time. But the first time they call in, I actually want them to hit voicemail. It's going to use an existing recording, basically tells them, hey, I'm on the other line. Sorry, I can't help you right now. But then the cool thing here is we actually have some intelligent routing options. So you can see here, if they leave a voicemail, then do this. If no voicemail, then take this action. So if they actually leave a voicemail, then we actually just trigger an action set, which what this actually does is schedules a task for somebody on my team to go check the voicemail, right? So obviously they left a voicemail, and then it triggers, it actually adds a tag to that contact, changes the status a little bit, and then again, triggers a task to be assigned to my assistant so they can check the voicemail. All right, so that's what would happen if they leave a voicemail. Now, if they don't leave a voicemail, we actually wait 20 minutes and we deliver back another stealth mail right to their voice box. And it basically says, hey, look, sorry, I missed your call. I hate playing phone tag. You're probably super busy. I'm busy, so I'll shoot you a text message really quick. And so now we wait 5 minutes, and then we shoot them over this text message. And since we've got their contact data and everything else, it actually does a little mail merge. You know, hi Tom, sorry for the phone tag. Here's a link to get a fast, fair cash offer on your property, and there is the link, right? So this is what we've been calling stealth mail. We've had this built out for a while. But a cool thing is, again, it's integrated into the entire REI BlackBook platform. We also do text flows as well. So in the same platform, you can do actually unlimited keywords. So if they text in, you can actually create this, right? So you can create unlimited keywords right now. So 2720, they text that in, that's the keyword. That's going to trigger the 2720 black cherry flow. And what's that look like? Okay, it sends them a text reply, adds a tag to the contact, all kinds of things. And you can build these out, pretty extensively. So this is the text flow options. And then let's go in to take a look at the call flows again really quick. Let's close that out. And the call flows, you can do some pretty cool stuff. So as I add a new call flow, you can see you can forward it to any number. They can play a greeting, voicemail, tag any contact. Again, it's already integrated with the CRM. Trigger an action set. That's basically a follow-up plan. So, lots of things you can do. Set the source, set the category, trigger, a 1-year follow-up plan, trigger more phone calls out to them, whatever you want to do. Smart routing, the stealth mail, that again is like the ringless voicemail. Interactive menu, that's the dial 1 for sales, dial 2. Text replies or add delays. We got some other cool stuff that we're building for this in the call flows, but really excited about the capabilities and possibilities really of the profit dial. We've had this thing going for a while and with great success. So again, all one platform, so you blast out from here. All your calls are coming back here. I can see the voicemails that were left. So here are some voicemails literally from Just the other night, I actually did a webinar and was doing some training on this. So I did an absentee owner blast. You can see the calls coming back in, and then text messages. So as you can see, sometimes hey, they're not the nicest folks. You can get, I will tell you guys, you'll get a lot more negative attention when you do these types of blasts for sure. You'll get a lot more negative stuff. But the awesome part is you can, I've got some other stuff here. You can see here a lot of this. Another different campaign that I did was getting all kinds of positive stuff as well. So really, really cool. The best part is it's all integrated directly into the CRM. So if I wanted to schedule a task automatically because somebody texted in, I could actually create a task for anybody on my team to follow up. Maybe I want to offer to go, whatever I want to do. I can actually create task here. Pretty cool. And even trigger additional text flows right from the inbox. So this is just a small glimpse into the Profit Dial. It is just one of the many tools that we offer in the REI BlackBook platform that is, again, an all-in-one, all integrated, right? So you've got your Client Genie, which is your CRM. You've got your web tools, which is your landing pages, your sales funnels, your complete websites, all built upon the WordPress framework. The best part about that is it's also integrated with your property pipeline. So as properties are made available, you literally just press a button, it's published to your website. But you can also manage your entire property pipeline as well, right? So what stages and status are they? Your team task, this is kind of like an Asana or a Basecamp like task management tool. We've got our property finders. This is actually pretty cool. It's complete bird dog management. So you can actually recruit bird dogs, sign up from a landing page. The system will automatically create their username and password, allows them to log in and submit properties directly to your property pipeline. As the property's updated, so are they. So you don't have to always update your bird dogs or anything else. Equity Analyzer, pretty cool tool to help you scan for equity from properties on the MLS, right? So either active properties kind of runs a proprietary algorithm against sold properties and lets you know if there's an actual equity spread there, things of that nature. So again, all of these tools are built on the same platform. And anyways, if you're listening at this point, I appreciate it. Would love to know your feedback. Thanks so much.